Let's talk about how to transfer crypto in and out of your Voyager account. First, how to deposit. Go to your account menu and tap Transfer Cash or Crypto. Select Deposit to Voyager account. To deposit crypto, you need your crypto wallet address, which looks like this. Let's choose Bitcoin. This generates your wallet address for Bitcoin. You'll see both your public wallet address and a QR code. Now, there are two different ways to transfer your assets. One way is to copy and paste the wallet address to another wallet or crypto service. To do so, tap on the copy icon to save the address to your clipboard. You can also scan the QR code with another device to obtain your wallet address. Make sure you're copying and pasting the specific wallet address for the crypto you're depositing. Now, let's look at how to withdraw from your account. From the account menu, go to Transfer Cash or Crypto. Then withdraw from Voyager account and choose an asset. Paste the wallet address or scan a separate QR code for your transfer. Select the amount you'd like to withdraw. You'll see the value both in the token and in USD. Then, slide to withdraw. You will need to retrieve the 6-digit code for withdrawal from your existing two-factor authentication method, either through an authenticator app or through SMS. We recommend you use an authenticator app for an added layer of security. Type the 6-digit code and tap Confirm. We will send an email to confirm your withdrawal. You need to confirm within 30 minutes or the withdrawal will be canceled. Tap the Confirm button in your email to complete. For your safety, we manually review some withdrawals. For deposits into your account, it can take several hours for the blockchain to confirm your deposit. We aim to process all withdrawals within a 24-hour time frame. More questions? No problem. Check out our FAQs. Voyager. Journey into crypto.